So this is looking really good. And then I've got this. Little peas are coming up. Got some fake plants in the mix. And here's the stuff that April brought. I repotted it. Looks pretty hardy. I bet that was from you. These are the elephant ear leaf bulbs. We'll see how they do. This is some catnip I grew from seed. This thing's growing a lot. I ate a beet and I put the top in dirt. It's working. More peas. There's this plant, which is really coming off with a lot of new stuff. A lot of new leaves on this guy. And then this one I got from Jenna. She just told me she has a black thumb, so she didn't want it. More catnip that I got from seed. This is the potato. We'll see. Mr. King potato. More sweet peas coming up. And more sweet peas. So that is my garden area for now. Fluffy has her little table. She can get up, get some water. She's got different things to go in. That's my air conditioner with the, over here, but I haven't hooked it up yet. And Fluffy can go all the way up to the ceiling.